Hello, in front of me I've got POCO X3 GT. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app and now go to menu. Enter settings and now go to Google Assistant. Enter voice match and enable Hey Google function. Tap more, agree, next. And now let's try it out. Hey Google. Okay Google. Sometimes you'll have to retrain the voice model. Okay Google. Okay Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Tap next. And now let's try it out again. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working. Let's go to lock screen and also enable assistant responses on lock screen. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? What's the weather like tomorrow? Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be partly cloudy with a high of 64 and a low of 48.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.